Are you ready to earn money while getting fit? If you love walking or jogging, then Sweatcoin might be the easiest way to turn those steps into cash or gift cards. In this video, I will show you exactly how Sweatcoin works and how you can maximize your earnings in 2025. Stay tuned to the end for some secret tips to boost your income. Let's jump right into it. First, let's break down what Sweatcoin actually is. It is a free app that literally rewards you for walking. It tracks your steps, and for every step you take, you earn Sweatcoins, which you can redeem for cash, gift cards, fitness gear, and more. The best part is, it is completely free to use and doesn't require any upfront investment. You don't have to buy anything to start earning. All you need is a smartphone, the app, and a pair of comfortable shoes. Alright, here's how you get started with Sweatcoin. Step 1. Download the app from Google Play or the App Store. It's available for both Android and iPhone. Step 2. Create an account. You can sign up with your email or connect via social media like Facebook. Step 3. Once you are signed up, allow the app to track your steps. Sweatcoin uses GPS and motion sensors to make sure your steps are legitimate. Step 4. Start walking. Every time you walk, run, or jog, Sweatcoin automatically tracks your movement and adds coins to your balance. It's that simple. Just walk as you normally would, and Sweatcoin does the rest. Now, let's talk money. How much can you actually earn with Sweatcoin? For every 1,000 steps, you earn 0.95 Sweatcoins. If you walk around 5,000 steps per day, you could earn about 4.75 Sweatcoins per day. And that adds up to over 140 Sweatcoins a month. But don't worry, that's not the only way to earn. As you use the app more, you can level up to earn extra coins. Sweatcoin offers different membership levels, and the higher your level, the more coins you earn for each step. Now, here is the key. Once you have enough Sweatcoins, you can redeem them for prizes. Here are a few examples of what you can get with your Sweatcoins. 1. Gift cards on Amazon, Nike, Starbucks, and more. 2. Fitness gadgets like fitness trackers, headphones, and smartwatches. 3. Charity donations if you prefer giving back. And for those looking for something bigger, you can redeem Sweatcoins for cash, but keep in mind that usually requires quite a few Sweatcoins. Now that you know how to get started, let's talk about how to boost your earnings. 1. If you are not already walking at least 5,000 steps a day, try to gradually increase your daily steps. Each extra step you take adds more to your total. 2. Sweatcoin allows you to use Boost to double your earnings for a limited time. Make sure to use this feature wisely when you are going for a long walk. 3. Sweatcoin has an awesome referral program. When you refer friends, you get extra coins for each person that signs up using your code. So by just walking a bit more and referring your friends, you can really start racking up those coins. So, is Sweatcoin really worth it in 2025? Pros: 1. Free to use, no investment required. 2. Passive income, earn while you exercise. 3. A wide range of rewards, from gift cards to fitness gear. Cons: 1. You may need to walk more than 5,000 steps daily for significant earnings. 2. Some rewards can be expensive. It takes time to accumulate enough Sweatcoins for cash payouts. Overall, if you're already walking regularly, Sweatcoin is an easy way to earn a little extra on the side, and it motivates you to stay active. There you have it. Sweatcoin is a simple and free way to make money while getting fit. So are you ready to start earning? Let me know in the comments how much you plan to work each day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more tips on earning money online in 2025. And remember, start working today. You've got nothing to lose, only Sweatcoins to gain.